Students, we are handling the topic trigonometry, exercise 6B. In that exercise, previously, in previous class, I said Roman number 2, first question, 3 points, 3 sums completed. In the Roman number 2, in second Roman, general number 2, in second Roman, second sum is there. In among them, 3 sums are there. First one, prove that cot of pi by 4 minus theta. Cot of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta, and hence deduce the value or find the value. Reduce the value of cot 15 degrees. Reduce the value of cot 15 degrees. Now cos of pi by 4 minus theta you should prove as cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. Let us discuss about taking LHS. Taking LHS, cot of pi by 4 minus theta. Formula cot of a minus b is equal to cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. No, cot of a minus b, cot b cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Cot of a minus b formula cot b cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Here cot theta into cot 45 value 1, so cot theta plus 1 by this is cot theta minus 1. Now cot theta can be written as cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta plus 1 by cos 2 theta minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta minus 1. Take LCM here, cos 2 theta plus 1 by sin 2 theta whole by cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Here cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta, not 2 theta, simply theta. I am observing that 2 theta. This is cos theta by sin theta plus 1 by cos theta by sin theta minus 1. That is equal to taking LCM cos theta plus sin theta by sin theta whole by sin cos theta minus sin theta whole by sin theta. Sin theta get cancelled. Now we got cos theta plus sin theta whole by cos theta minus sin theta. Now rationalize the denominator. Rationalize denominator. Rationalizing denominator, we can say that cos theta plus sin theta whole by denominator is cos theta minus sin theta. Opposite symbol of, here we need cos theta. So rationalizing numerator we should, because cos theta plus sin, the cos theta we should get. So cos square theta minus sin square theta we need to get. Rationalize the numerator. So multiply with opposite symbol of numerator to the numerator and denominator. Right here cos theta minus sin theta by, here also cos theta minus sin theta. That is equal to numerator becomes a plus b into a minus b formula. So cos square theta minus sin square theta whole by this is cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Numerator general formula cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos theta whole by this is a minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So this is cos square theta plus this is sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. That is equal to next step. Here you can write cos 2 theta whole by cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta formula sin 2 theta. This is RHS. Not only this one, we should also deduce using this formula cot 15 degrees. That therefore conclusion cot pi by 4 meaning 45 degrees minus theta is equal to, we got like this cos 2 theta by 1 minus sin 2 theta. Put we need 15 degrees, so put theta is equal to 30 degrees. Right here cot 45 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to cos 2 into 30 becomes 60 by 1 minus sin 2 into 30 becomes 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 by 1 minus sin 60 value root 3 by 2. That is equal to here 1 by 2 by taken LCM 2 minus root 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled. We got 1 by 2 minus root 3. So rationalize with opposite symbol. So it is 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Numerator becomes 2 plus root 3 and denominator is a plus b into a minus b concept a square minus b square 4 minus 3. That is equal to 2 plus root 3. Therefore the value of cot 15. Cot 15 degrees already we said and we had written as a formula and we proved here also in the concept cot 15 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 3. Second question, if theta lies in third quadrant. Second one, second. If theta lies in third quadrant. Theta lies in third quadrant and sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. Find the values of cosecant theta by 2 comma tan theta by 2. Cosecant theta by 2 comma tan theta. Theta is in third quadrant. Given theta belongs to Q3. Sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. Draw a triangle like this, right angle triangle. Sin means opposite side by hypotenuse. This is a 3. You can understand here cos theta is negative. In third quadrant is minus 3 by 5. Cosecant theta by 2 he is asking. Let us going to discuss the cos theta formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Using this concept and cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So because 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2 concept. And in the similar way cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 also. So cos theta cos theta by 2 is equal to depends upon this one. Depends upon this concept already we had said plenty of times. 1 minus cos theta whole by 2. Sin theta by 2 is equal to taken this side, these two sides theta by 2 taken this side, 1 minus cos theta whole by 2 along with the root. If you need here cos theta by 2, you can write that is 1 plus cos theta by 2. If you need tan theta by 2, this by this. Okay, let us write now sin theta by 2. If we need cosecant theta by 2, cosecant theta by 2 is equal to root of 2 by 1 minus cos. Whenever theta belongs to Q3, so cosecant theta by 2. So we need to calculate. Okay, let us discuss about cos theta. It is negative. So cosecant theta by 2, let us prove whether it is minus or plus. Sin theta and cos theta, whenever cos theta is negative, 1 minus of minus, this is 3 by 5 I am writing, that is 2 by 5 plus 3 whole by 5, so that is equal to root, this 5 becomes that side 10 by 8, root 5 by 4, so root 5 by 2 we can write. Root 5 by 2 is correct. It is cosecant theta by 2. Cosecant, it's okay, but depends upon this cos theta we got the value. Now tan theta by 2. In the second quadrant, of course, tan is positive. In third quadrant, tan theta by 2 formula, root of 1 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is equal to root of 1 minus now. What is the value of cos theta? Here 3 by 5. So it is 1 plus 3 by 5 by it is 1 minus 3 by 5. Take LCM here 5 plus 3 by 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 over root. 5 get cancelled. 5 plus 3 becomes 8. 8 by 2 it is 4. So it is simply 2. Cosecant theta by 2. So sin theta by 2 is here theta belongs to third quadrant. So whatever theta by 2. So 1 minus if we write here it is root 5 by 2. Tan theta, if cosec theta is positive, the tan theta is negative, and tan theta is positive, then cosec theta is negative. Maybe better to write plus or minus here and minus or plus here. If it is plus, this is minus. If it is minus, this is plus. Now Roman number 2, third question. If 450 degrees less than theta less than 540 degrees. Roman number 2, general number 2, Roman number 3. If 450 degrees less than theta less than 540 degrees and sin theta is equal to 12 by 30. Find or calculate sin theta by 2 comma cos theta by 2. If 450 less than theta less than 540 and sin theta equal to 12 by 13, calculate sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Given 450 degrees less than theta less than 540 degrees. Divide with 225 degrees less than theta by 2 less than 270. So theta by 2 belongs to here. Theta by 2 belongs to Q3 because Q3 meaning 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. Now sin theta is equal to 12 by 30. Draw a diagram. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. This is 5 we know. Plenty of times we have discussed it. Now we need to calculate sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Using the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta and cos theta is equal to like this 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So using this one you write here sin theta by 2 is equal to take up this side like this 1 minus cos theta whole by 2. If theta by 2 belongs to Q3, then sin theta is equal to put here minus root of 1 by 2 taken common 1 minus cos theta here. Cos theta meaning theta belongs to here 450 less than theta less than 540. So it is 360 plus 90 like this one rotation completed. This is 360. So 360 plus 90 450. This is 540. So it is nothing but theta belongs to Q2. Theta belongs to Q2. In the Q2 that is a sign positive he given. So cos is negative. So whenever cos is negative, you can write here minus 5 by 30. Write here 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus of minus becomes plus 5 by 13. That is equal to 1 by 2 into root of. Take LCM here. 13 plus 5 whole by 13. 13 plus 5 becomes 18. 18 by 2 becomes 9. Put here first only you should write minus. So minus root of 9 by 13. So that is equal to minus 3 by root 13. Minus 3 by root 13 is correct answer. Next one is asking cos theta by 2. Remember the formula cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 concept. So in the concept cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. These all are called as submultiple angle. Each and every formula every student has to know. Like that, which is necessary, which is not necessary, I know very well. That is in previous class, I think in 15 days or in 30 days back when I said all the formulae which are necessary. Every formula student should know, otherwise you cannot understand. That too online class. So cos theta by 2 is equal to, we need 1 plus cos theta whole by 2 over root. Depends upon this one. 1 plus cos theta whole by 2 over root. So that is equal to root of 1 by 2 take common here. Students theta by 2 belongs to 3. Of course, students sin theta is sin theta. Theta belongs to Q3 negative. Cos also negative. Okay, then put minus. Put minus. 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Here 1 minus 5 by 13. 1 minus 5 by 13. So that is equal to minus of 1 by 2 into taken LCM. 13 minus 5 becomes 8. This will be divided 4 times. 4 root is 2. So you write the value minus 2 by root 13. Both are minus. Correct. Now, very heavy question is there. Fourth question. Roman number 2, second part. Roman number 2, fourth question. Prove that 1 by cos 290 degrees. Prove that 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 sin 250 degrees. 1 by root 3 sine 250 degrees is equal to 4 by root 3. 4 by root 3. 1 by cos 290 degrees. Write like this. 1 by cos, this is 270 plus 20 degrees. Plus 1 by root 3 sine, this is 270 minus 20 degrees. LHS I have taken. That is equal to 1 by cos 270 plus theta, meaning minus sin theta. So write here minus sin 20 degrees plus sin 270 minus theta, meaning minus root 3 cos minus cos theta, minus root 3 cos 20. Take here LCM. Write here minus 1 by sin 20 minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 cos 20. Minus is minus should be on the numerator. Minus taken common and take LCM here. Root 3 cos 20 plus sin 20 whole by root 3 sin 20 cos 20. This is the LCM and this is this side, this is this side. Now multiply and divide with 2 and 19. Multiply comma divide with 2. So with the number 2 I multiply and divide. So like this, 2 into, write like this, root 3 by 2 into cos 20 degrees plus here 1 by 2 into sin 20 degrees whole by root 3 into, here also multiply and divide with 2. 2 into 1 by 2 into, here first 1 by root 3 by 2 into like this, 2 sin 20 into cos 20 degrees. Here that is equal to minus 2 into, by cos 290 he given, cos 290 students, cos 270 plus theta fourth quadrant, it is plus not minus, it is plus. Sin 270 minus theta becomes cos theta. Sin 270 minus theta becomes cos theta, it is minus. So minus you should not take common. Here you should write minus. That's all. Now here minus you should not take common. Here you should write minus. Minus you should not write. 2 root 3 by 2 meaning sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees cos 20 and 1 by 2 meaning cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees sin 20 degrees. Whole by here root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into, this is 2 sin a cos a formula, sin 2a, this is sin 2 into 20. Here 2 taken outside, 4 by root 3 into, this is of the form sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So sin of a minus b by sin 2 into 20 becomes sin 14. So it is 4 by root 3 into sin 60 minus 20 becomes sin 40 by, this is sin 40, sin 40 get cancelled. That is equal to 4 by root 3 we have. This is RHS. We have completed in this class separately only 3 sums. Page number 272, Roman number 2. These are all sums, page number 272. Page number 272, Roman number 2, first question and periods. In previous class we have completed. Now we have completed second question. Let us going to discuss about the Roman number 2, general number 3 sums in next class.